Ciao guys, today I'm gonna show you the secret recipe from my grandma. Homemade meatballs in the tomato sauce. So what we need for the meatballs, we need half kilo of minced beef, 250 grams of minced pork, breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, tomato sauce, parsley, garlic, a bit of milk, 1 egg, salt, pepper. You can use any herbs that you want. Let's begin it. Okay, what I did, I mix all the ingredients apart the tomato sauce and 1 clove of garlic, and I'm gonna use to make the sauce later. And let's add the salt, pepper, any herbs that you like. Just a bit of Italian herbs like rosemary, marjoram, thyme, and sage. Mix. So now we make the meatballs. You can make the size that you desire, that you want. I don't like very small. I like this. So, a couple of tablespoons of olive oil in the pan, 1 clove of garlic. We fry a bit the meatballs just to make a kind of crust. Just a bit of white wine. Let's turn upside down. Add a bit of water. So now we're gonna transfer all the meatballs in the pot. Transfer all the sauce there. The tomato. A little water. A bit of salt. More water. A bit of sugar. Sometimes you need to check, and we cook at least for 1 hour in a slow heating.